Hey YouTube, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2006 Kia Spectra. This video applies for 2004 to 2009 Kia Spectras. Here's the car right here. I already have it set up on car ramps. So the tools you're going to need for this job: oil catch pan, funnel, the drain plug. It's going to be a 17 millimeter socket or a wrench. You're going to need a ratchet, also oil filter pliers. The type of oil this car takes is 5W30. I'm using Pennzoil full synthetic. And also here's the oil filter. It's a Fram XG9688. Alright, so let's get started. So this is going to be a drain plug right here. And then the oil filter is going to be up over here. Right there. So I'm loosening the drain plug now. There we go. Just gonna let that drain out until it's dripping, so most of it's out instead of it being like a steady stream. Probably take like 1 or 2 more minutes. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my drain plug back in. Then you want it to get it where it's snug, and then just tighten it down. Doesn't have to be super tight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get a bag and wipe that up. Just wipe this up so it's not dripping. Go. Now let's move over to the oil filter, shall we? Okay, so now we're going to start taking off the oil filter. Go ahead and use your oil filter pliers and turn it counterclockwise. Usually there's a cover here. My car is missing the cover, so I just wanted to mention that. So just in case it looks different in the video, that's why. When I did have my cover here, I used to just take off 2 bolts. I think there was one over here and then one over there, and then we'll just pop down and it'll give you a little bit more access room. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of oil on my finger and put it around the seal, around this little rubber gasket. Throw it back on. Oh, you also want to make sure the old gasket doesn't stick to the oil filter housing. Then I get it to where it's just tight, and then I just do a 1/4 of a turn. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take the oil cap off. Put our funnel there. Swipe out our funnel to make sure there's no dirt or debris in there. There we go. Now this car takes 4.2 quarts of 5W30. Unfortunately, I have a slow funnel. I have a small funnel, so it like just drains slowly. Probably just gonna put 4.5 quarts in here and check on the dipstick. It should be at the high mark on the dipstick with 4.5 quarts. 4.2, it should be in the middle on the dipstick. So I think that should be 4.5 right there. Oh no, I still got a little bit more to go. I should only have half a quart left out of this 5 quarts. Yep. Let's go ahead and put that there. Did manage to spill a little. It's not the end of the world. Just wipes up with a bag. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and start it up, back it up off the jack stands, and check the oil level. And like when you start it up, just let it idle for like 15-20 seconds. When you start it up, you just want to let it idle for like 15-20 seconds so the oil flows through the oil filter. And then you should be good to shut it off. And check the level. So we're going to be checking the level right here with the dipstick. Wipe the dipstick off. Alright, see ya. We're going to be sitting right at full. So this is going to be full and this is going to be low. Anywhere in between this is good. So this is where we are right now. So that's good oil level. And we are done. Make sure the oil cap's on. Make sure the dipstick is seated. We're done. So yeah, if you guys did like this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and like the video. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'll respond to you and try and help you out as best as I can. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, bye.